Guys, eto na. I-explain ko na how to apply scholarships in China. Una, i-discuss ko yung mga usual requirements na dapat ipasa. Second, anong klase ng scholarship program, yung coverage niya, and yung mga stipend na matatanggap ninyo. And of course, yung last, lahat naman nandun sa link. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa captions and the comment section. Magbasa ha, kilala kita, hindi ka nagbabasa. Checklist for application documents to be submitted to the ASEAN University Network. So, ito yung ASEAN Scholarship. Of course, application form for Chinese government scholarship. So, yung application form, naaayon niya kung anong scholarship program yung ina-applyan. Of course, copy of passport, notarized highest diploma, attested sa Pinas and sa China. Academic transcripts, study plan or research proposal. Letters of recommendation sa dalawang professors, physical examination form, non-criminal record report, admission letter if applicable, valid IELTS or TOEFL. IELTS, yung for English taught, master's or doctoral program. So, pwede kayo mamili kung Chinese taught or English taught. For Chinese taught naman, valid HSK certificate. For Chinese taught, master's or doctoral programs. So, yun yung mga usual na requirements. Regardless of bachelor's, master's, and PhD. So, ano yung mga coverage ng scholarship? For ASEAN China Young Leadership Scholarship or ACYLS, accommodation, round-trip airfare, tuition fee, stipend, and one-time settlement fee. Okay, so yung mga supporting category niya is master's students, doctoral, research scholars. Yung scholarship duration, 2 to 3 academic years for masters. 3 to 4 academic years for doctoral students. Research scholars, 4 to 5 months. Stipend for masters, 4,000 RMB a month. For doctoral, 5,000 RMB per month. Research scholar, 5,000 RMB per month. So, ito yung for ACYLS scholarship. And yung mga eligibility, of course, ASEAN member, which is Philippines, is already included in sound physical mental health, yung proficient in English, or it depends kung Chinese taught or